My name is Avinash. Welcome back to the channel. So today we will gonna discuss about how to optimize your GitHub profile and the LinkedIn profile. So let me suggest you how you can do that. So this video will gonna be very quick. I will just give you the suggestion how you can do that, and then you just have to implement what I have suggested. So let me getting started. So there is one my friend, yeah. So Daniel. So he just created his own SaaS product, ProfileMe Dev. So we will gonna visit that. So I will mention the website link into the description. You can check that out. So you just have to click on the create profile. So guys, you can see that create an amazing GitHub profile in minutes. So show off your skills, experience, and project. Generate markdown for your profile with just a few clicks. All right, show off your skills. So this is how the website look like. So you just have to create your own profile, and you just have to fill your own information. So all right, so when you will fill your information, it will be show here like how it look like. So you just have to fill all the information. All right, I will just give you the demo how you can fill out all the information. So currently I'm working on the next.js. Right, I would like to checking. So you have just have to select the language, which language you know. So I will select JavaScript. I will select another Python, TypeScript, and alright. These are the languages which I know. I will select the HTML, React, Next.js, CSS, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, Material UI, Redux, Babel. All right. Now the backend and database which I know. So I know the Node.js, Express, Nest.js, MongoDB, Firebase. All right, and Heroku. Now any other technology if you know, you should select that. So if you know the Django, you can select that. Now the software, if you know the any software, you should select that. So I know the Figma, so I will select that. Now, if you know any technology in the Web3 world, if you are a Web3 developer, then you can select this technology from here. Now, you just have to uh, just put your username here, so it will be shown on the screen. So it will be shown to the here. So just put the information of profile which you wanted to put. So I will go to the next section then. So if I wanted to show my state cards, it will be show here. Top languages, top repositories, follower count, Twitter follower count. So great. So now my GitHub follower count will be shown here. My Twitter counter will be shown here. My GitHub statistics shown here that I have made this commit this year. These are the total pull requests. These are the total issues I have contributed to the two organization. This is my current streak, longest streak between July 30 to September 30. So these are the top languages which I have used: JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and CSS. And yeah, guys, that's it. That is how you can. So I have just fill out the few information just to give you the demo, but you can fill out the full information according to the your profile and your skills. So that is why, and once you done with that, you just have to copy this here. All right, so it is now copied here. So you just have to copy this code, and once you copy this code, you just have to go to the your GitHub profile. So let me show you, like where you have to paste it exactly. So once you go to the your profile, so this is a readme file you have. You have to make one readme repositories in your profile. So you can edit it here and you can paste the code. So you just have to the code, paste the code which you have copied from the profile me dev site. So that's it guys, this is very easier. So this is the site I will mention you for your making your GitHub profile. Now let's coming back to the how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So for LinkedIn profile, I will suggest to go to the Danny Thompson. So Danny Thompson is one of the best guy over the Twitter. He has a 2 million following, and he is the best motivational developer on the Twitter. So here he has a get a job using LinkedIn series, and it is the most popular series. Once you, if you are looking for a job, and if you have the LinkedIn profile, you just have to go through this series, and once you go through this series, implement the changes which Danny Thompson has suggested to you, and you will start getting the offer. I personally gone through his series, I seen all the videos, and once I optimize my LinkedIn profile, then after I get a lots of offer every day. I was getting the offer by some recruiter that are you looking for a job? Your profile is interested. We want to conduct a call with you. So once you apply all the changes which Danny Thompson suggested you, then you will start getting the offer over the LinkedIn. So must go through this series, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and just for the demo I will show you my LinkedIn profile, so you just get the idea that what your profile should look like. All right, so what's the problem here? I have to sign in. All right, check my account, why it's all showing confirm. Hmm, what's happening? So alright guys, now the profile is loaded, so we just have to go to the, I will show you my profile. So what information you have to put in your profile, so your profile will be shown. So guys, I am currently working in this company, so I have mentioned that I am a full stack developer at digit cards. These are the technology which I am using at current job, and these are my followers and all that. But you have to see in the feature section, I have put my portfolio, I have put my YouTube channel, I have put my GitHub profile, I have put my blogs. So guys, into the feature section you have to put your GitHub profile, YouTube. If you have the YouTube profile, you can put that, and you have to mention your blogs, whatever the work you have done related to the web development, you can put into the feature section. And then you have to write the nice about about for yourself, that who are you and what technologies do you know. It should be a very simple, just like this. Yeah, it should not be a long paragraph, because whenever the recruiter see your profile, he's not going to read the full paragraph. He just wanted to know that what technologies you are proficient with, so you just have to write like this. And these are the experience which I have. These are my educational background. This is the license and certification. So whatever the courses I have completed, so I have put this here, and these are the all the skills. So guys, that's it. These are the language which I know. So you can just optimize LinkedIn profile like this. Just if you wanted to take the reference from my profile, there is already link into the YouTube description. Then you can take the reference from my profile as well. So I will highly suggest you to go through Danny Thompson LinkedIn series if you are looking for a job. This will be the best for you to get the offer from the various recruiter and the companies. So that's it for the today's video, guys. If you have any question regarding anything, GitHub, portfolio, or LinkedIn or resume, anything you have to ask related to the tech. If you are looking for a job, if you are not getting the interview call, if anything which is bothering you, you can ask me. Ask me into the comment section, or you can reach out to me by LinkedIn, Instagram, Discord. You can join our Discord community. Link into the description. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, if you need any help, then just comment down your thoughts into the comment section. I will reply to you, and I will see you into the next video. Keep coding, keep growing, guys.